Hi, Jonathan York from IRG BOP, looking at the investment markets this week. The next cab off the rank is the Goodman Fielder bond issue. That's going to be a 6-year bond. It's unsecured, unsubordinated. Minimum interest rate, is 7.25. Yet to be confirmed what the actual rate will be, but the minimum rate will be 7.25. That's expected to hoover up a little bit of money. They're looking to raise approximately 250 million. And it's obviously quite an opportune time coming to the market at present because South Canterbury money should be paid back this Wednesday, so there will be a little bit of money floating around the system, and I expect this to be pretty highly sought after. So call us on 0800 867 323 to reserve your allocation. On the equity side, the latest round of US reporting coming through. Most of the companies are reporting pretty decent results. Interesting to note that unemployment is still a bit of an issue in the US, and it may well still be a jobless-led recovery coming through. But in the latest set of reports coming out of JP Morgan, one of the largest banks in the US, they have seen quite a pickup there in credit card activity, which is maybe the first indications out there that the US consumer is actually starting to spend a little bit more money. Currencies are still pretty much the fore, and the Aussie reached a pretty momentous level over the weekend, where it did actually trade at parity with the US dollar. Only briefly, but it did actually get up to 1.004. First time it's been up there since about 1983. Obviously still very high out there versus the US dollar, and that is having some implications out there for some of the exporting stocks, so they're coming under a little bit of pressure, but also a very good time to review your offshore shares and call us on 0800 867 to review the opportunities available and see what might just need to be trimmed up out there. I'll pass you over to Phil Sedcole for the mortgage commentary.
Hi, Phil Sedcole for the mortgage and insurance side of IRG BOP. Today, equity release mortgages, which is more for your retired people looking to release some of the equity out of their bricks and mortar. There are a few of these schemes still around, or mortgage systems still about, and there is a percentage as to how much you can borrow as to your age. Normally they start at about 60 years of age, you can borrow 15%, and up to about 90 years of age, the maximum you can borrow is 45. This way your house or your security is always there. There are no repayments with this. It is entirely voluntary, and it is all just wrapped up either on your estate or if you move house or something like that. But there is a good possibility that these schemes are getting better all the time. So if you've got any inquiries about it, please give us a ring.
Thanks, Phil. So call us on 0800 867 323 to discuss any of these points, or go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. There will be a Goodman Fielder application up there. Final couple of days as well for Trustpower, so if you've still got any of that hanging around, get that into us as quickly as possible, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.